Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Tanggula X5 Pro not working or not turning on in 2026. So in order to fix it, the very first thing that you need to check is the power adapter of it. So make sure that the power adapter is firmly plugged into both the device and the wall outlet. You can also try using a different socket or adapter if possible and see if it is now working properly again. Now, if the issue still persists, you need to also take a look at the LED light on the device. If it is not lighting up, it's likely a power issue. If it is turns on but there is no display, you can just simply take a look at the HDMI cable as well. Just make sure that the HDMI cable also properly connected to your TV and the correct input source is also selected. You can then try a different HDMI port or a cable in order to see if it is now working properly again. If the cable and the power outlet options are not working for you, you can just simply perform a power reset on top of it. For that, you need to simply unplug your device completely, then simply wait for about 1 to 2 minutes and then plug it back in and power it on. This is going to help reset the internal system glitches. After that, you can try turning it on using the device buttons instead of the remote. Also, replace the remote batteries to rule out the control issues. And that's how you will be able to fix the Tanggula X5 Pro that is not turning on or working. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.